Good evening, everyone. Last week we have started topic organizational unit. So basically, organizational unit, what exactly it is, we are know very well. But another part of the OU, that is delegation. Delegation means permission. So even if the admin or user is not the member of domain admins, he or she is not be able to log into the domain controllers. How he can log in and work in AD? That's about is OU delegation. Through combination of RSAT tool and user delegations, non-admin user can easily view and access their designated job. So today topic is there is a requirement a specific team will perform only to update extension attribute and manager field for users. So for that only how delegation control works, that is our today topic. So is that clear everyone what we are trying to say today? What is our today topic? Nothing to worry, any critical delegation you can ask help. If you are not remember exact settings, you can ask help Google and you can create. If even all delegations cannot be possible to show you, but yes, if you know the techniques, life is very easy. So today I will tell you how to give delegation to a group or a member of the users of that group so that he or she can update extension attribute certain, let's say 15, or manager attribute for a specific OU or specific domain. ठीक है? Is that clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. So fine, no problems. So let's start. So for that only I need one domain controllers and one member server. There I will install the RSAT role that you guys already aware, right? Very nice. So first I'll promote the domain controllers. How to promote domain controllers? You guys are champ on it, I believe. It's just after install the ADDS role, go to next and install. So I'm creating a forest called mylab.local that you guys already aware, right? Any doubt, please ask questions. If you're not remembering this part or if you have any doubt, please ask questions. After promote it, prepare these machines and you need to join them in a domain. This is jump server. For your naming purpose, let's mark this on jump server 01 or jump sbr 01 dot mylab dot local. Okay. Now try to install the VMware tools. Okay. I might be have installed it. Let's join the machine to the domain. So let's log in with the default administrator, default domain administrator. Okay. After that, create the infrastructure. In that case, I create one OU, let's say called SD service desk. Okay. This OU contain user call admin 1. You can more than create as much the team you can create it, no matter. So I'll create only one admin and we'll create one group, SD underscore operations, and the description, oh, create one group, SD underscore operation. What is the purpose of that group? You will give delegation to that group. Later on, you will apply the member of it. Okay. Don't give directly user to delegation. It will create a chaos when the user is left. Understood? Now I create a business user OU, business VIP underscore user. In the VIP underscore user, I am creating, let's say, user 1, and user 2. Other than that users, I am creating one OU for domain admin. And I am creating one ID here as a domain admin. And as usual, you give them domain admin rights. Okay? Because this is a domain admin. He is the creator of the infrastructure, right? So you are giving it. Meanwhile, join that machine to the domain and install RSAT tool. Perfect. So followed by domain controller IP address, give one address to them, let's say 12, 10, 10, 10, 10, 12. And always you give the domain controller IP address as a DNS, else you will not be join the machine to the domain. Okay, so I think this part is still clear, everyone. If you are not give the IP address, it will not be join the machine to the domain, right? Once the machine is joined to the domain, you will install the RSAT role. Bus, that is basic infrastructure. After that, we will create delegation part. Is that okay? Is that clear now, everyone? Install remote server administration tool. Install it. After you install RSAT, now this machine have capability, let's say admin, non-admin, everyone can read and works. Admin, domain admin can read and works, read and write. Non-admin only view, right? Till now, anyone have any doubt? Till now, if anyone have any doubt, please ask. Okay, great. So you have installed RSAT. You can see that after install, it's same to same like your DC, but it is not the domain controller. Now I will going to configure delegation part. What we are going to do it, we are giving rise service desk admin group, this particular group to VIP user OU, so that they can edit or in update the extension attribute and manager field. Those who are the member of that group, who can edit the extension attribute and manager field. That is the real requirement received. Customer has requirement only give that delegation so that they can update only that particular attribute whenever required, because they are not the IT guy, they are non-technical guy. So do not give them any rights, only give them just to add value, not even delete. Okay, so that is the requirement. For that only what we need to do, we will, which way would they telling? VIP user way. So right click. So first you go to service desk, ask that group name, copy that group name, go to right click, property, delegate control, add that group. Remember, like last time, this delegation is not so easy so that you can manage it here. No, this is advanced level delegation, right? Advanced level delegation. So right click on next, create custom task to delegate. You can select these options, select user account, okay, and select these two options as well. Now what I say, select all those tabs as what I say manager attribute. So here this attribute comes as read manager, write manager. So check that one. So for your information guys, delegation part entirely I cannot show you because it's a hell lot of delegation, but yes, you can seek help from any open source, let's say Google, any delegation, just understand the concept and I'm trying to share. Okay, uh, Read extension attribute. Or extension attribute, let's say let's do that first. Let's first do that and then wait for some time to replicate the changes and then check whether he can add manager field or not. Okay. Now here log into with admin1, sorry, SD1. Admin1, login here, admin1. Now open your AD. Now what you need to do, go to VIP users, right click properties, go to organization and you can update here. So here you can give the manager name seat, but you need to give them proper FQD, I mean sorry, distinguished name. So let's say manager name is Sid. How could you go now? Organizations, sorry, first you have to select advanced view. Any manager, if you see it, let's say Siddharth, you want to set a manager, go to the enter FQDN. So go to distinguish name. Okay. Copy that one. Now go to here, VIP users, because attribute editor, it won't allow you to any junk value unless you have to set it here. Okay, now tell me why this user don't have rights to edit. Anyone can tell? Can anyone tell me why?
Because we don't give the permission to the user.
We do not add that user into here. Admin1 is not the member of here. Once I add admin here, because we have given delegation on a group, not the admin. So you need to give member of that. Now if you log off and log in it again, and then see, you will have that options. ठीक है? Yes, you can add here. Anyone? Yes, that's it. He's update. Now they have another requirement. Requirement is what? Requirement is he need to give the extension attribute 15. That means he go to here, attribute editor, and extension attribute
So सिद्धार्थ extension attribute मतलब
actually it's a Microsoft attribute. Okay, extension attribute. Basically extension attribute added on computers, not the users. Okay, so you may not have this. Let me check. Okay, leave it. So another, let's say another field need to add, let's say employee ID. Okay, employee ID. How these things can be done? How these things can be done? So similarly, again go to VIP users, delegate control, add here user object, property specifics, read employee, write employee. ठीक है? Once you give them, bas he can update. For computer only you have the delegation for update extension attribute. I also show you. If I go to here na, VIP users, delegate control, next, add SD, but this time instead of user you have to select computer here. Okay, computer object. Click on next, property specific here, write extension. This is cloud extension, or you have to find it out which extension you have to do it. So select that one. Okay, MS extension or cloud extension, select here and do it. So either it is computer object or user object, so you have that options, right? Now any delegation part, if I tell you, will you be able to do it? Will you be able to do it? Okay, sometimes you have to apply your brain here. Everything cannot be possible, right? If you're not apply, your IQ will not be increased. So these things you need to try. In case if you're stuck, then let me know. Okay. So in OU part, we understood. Okay, let's show you that he can update the employee ID as well.
Okay, Siddhartha, give me some home tasks, like give me some customized role for any customized user.
I'll give you.
It will be helpful for me to practice.
Sure. So you can do one thing. Achha, I'll show you first. Employee ID you can check. Okay. So do one thing now. In create one OU for VIP computers. and create some computer object here. Let's say comp1. He cannot create. Domain admin can create 2 to 3 computer and give the rights to a particular service desk access so that they can change attribute, extension attribute 1 or cloud extension attribute 1. Similarly, you create one update for user, one for computer, and show me where is your challenges. Because delegation is huge things. Even I'm telling you, next week I will show you. You are not the domain admin. You are not the member of domain admin, but you have that rights. You can perform all the tasks which domain admin can do. You can perform everything by using OU delegation. I will tell you on next week. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Any questions? Any questions? Great.
No.
Great. Let me save that file.